Hi everyone. So this is a video on how to install Rocket Chat onto your mobile phone or application. My name is Jisoo Peck,
And I'm Yunus Mihart.
and we're representatives from Rocket Chat from the pre-sales department. So as you can see, currently we're emulating a Android phone on our desktop currently at the moment through BlueStacks. For Android users, you're going to be clicking on the Play Store. And from there, you're going to be finding our Rocket Chat application, which you would then install. So go to the Play Store, look for rocket.chat, and then install the application. Once the application is installed, you'll then open the application where it'll take you through the steps of connecting to your Rocket Chat server. So now that it's installed, go ahead and follow that open, click on open. And this will now take you through the various steps. If you haven't installed or used Rocket Chat before for the first time, for any first-time user, it'll ask you, do you want to join a workspace or create a new workspace? If this is a business situation, usually the business has created a URL specific for their Rocket Chat users. So in this instance, we want to join a workspace. So here they're asking us to enter in the URL that I mentioned, right? So as a business, you might be, business dot chat dot whatever, or in our case, we're going to be connecting to our demo server, which is located at multiverse.rocket.chat. But once again, your URL would be depending on whatever domain name you want to use and choose. So here we're going to connect to it. When we connect to it, we have options to either log into an already pre-existing account or create a new account if we haven't created an account before. Once again, if your corporation has already set this up, they're more than likely using single sign-on solutions such as LDAP or SAML or OAuth to complete this login. So today, we're going to go ahead and log in to an already existing account. For our login, as I mentioned, we have different opportunities and different methods of verification. So you can enable or disable different custom OAuths or things like that as needed. For now, we're just going to go ahead and log in using an already pre-existing account. And once we log in, we're logged into the workspace under our account that we've logged into. So we would only have the permissions available to the appropriate level of permission I should have. And at this point, I can just choose whatever channel or choose whoever I need to talk to then begin my conversation. This has been how to install Rocket Chat on your mobile application. My name is Jisoo Peck.
And Yunus Mihart.
And if you have any questions, please reach out to us at presales@rocket.chat. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye bye.